Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2015 Cadillac Escalade Premium Group 4-wheel drive, stock number Z7253A. 47,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Escalade brand new. We also have the service history for it, silver Coast metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 4-year 50,000 mile bumper to bumper and 6-year 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Power running boards come out when you open the door. Seat 7, leather interior. DVD player with wireless headphones and remote. Rear heat and air controls. Middle row bucket seats are also heated. Push the button on the inside of the door. Seats will fold flat for additional cargo space. Push again will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with front and rear parking sensors. Hitch and wiring behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. Power liftgate for convenience. 60/40 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily with a push of a button. You can also fold and tumble the second row from the rear as well, and bring it right back up. This Escalade has advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert. Will also stop the vehicle if anything's in the way. And extremely clean inside and out. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Moonroof. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Start. Large, easy to read gauges with customizable dash. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Heads-up display so you can keep your eyes on the road. Leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. That's where you set the forward collision alert. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen Q infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, radio apps. Navigation. Dual zone temperature control, as well as rear heat and air. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and climate. Heated seats as well as cooled seats keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Spacious glove box with all materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Escalade has a 6.2 liter V8, 420 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 65% tire tread left. For more information about this Escalade, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.